Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're notified. Today I'll be making simple kaftan. I'm using 3.5 meters of fabric. I folded this fabric into 4. The length of this one is 62. 2 inches is for my seam allowance for folding, and 60 inches is my length. So I folded my fabric into 4 like this. I'll mark my neckline. Neck width of 3 inches and neck depth of 3.5 for front neckline. So the back neckline, neck width of 3 inches and neck depth of 1 inch. 1 inch. I'll connect it. Okay, my neckline is neck width of 3 inches and neck depth of 3.5 for front neckline. Then back neckline, neck width of 3 inches and neck depth of 1 inch. So my shoulder measurement, my shoulder is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 16 divided by 2 is 8, plus half inch seam allowance is 8.5. Sorry, my camera stopped. This line is from edge here, from the shoulder here, up here, to this line is 34 inches. It's 2 to 3 inches above my knee, 2 to 3 inches before my knee length. So, and this line, this side is 3 inches. I connected it to my neckline. So now, on this side, this is my shoulder measurement. I'll mark half of my round armhole. My round armhole is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So I'll mark 9 inches here on this line, the slanted line. 9 inches. So I'll connect it as armhole. Okay, this one is going to be armhole. So on this side, I'm going to use my hip measurements. My hip is 46. 46 divided by 4 is 11.5. 11.5 plus 2.5 inches is 11.5 plus 2.5 inches, 14 inches. So here I'll mark 14 inches. So from this line, I'll connect it to this side. But from here to the end will be 14 inches. So from this edge to this line is 14 inches. my hip measurement is 46. 46 divided by 4 is 11.5, plus 2.5 inches is 2.5 inches for ease. You can add 2, you can add more. It depends on how free you want it on the lower part here. So on this side, from this line, I'll connect it to somewhere here. I'll connect it like this. Like this. So I'm going to cut the lower part. I added 1 inch seam allowance. So here you will curve it so that it will not be sharp. So I'll cut it, and from the edge here to this point I use my hip measurement plus ease. My hip measurement is 46. 46 divided by 4 is 11.5, plus 2.5 inches for ease, which is 14 inches. So from this edge to this line is 14 inches, and this one is 1 inch seam allowance. So I'll cut it. I've cut the lower part here. So this is what we have now. I'll cut the neckline, but I'll first cut the back neckline. This is the back neckline. Then I'll cut this one also. So here I'll cut through the armhole. Now I'll separate the front one and the back one. Then I will trim the front neckline. Then the back one, I'll have like a 5 inches slant open on the center back for button. This is the back one. This is the back one. So I will open the back one, center back. So I will remove it. I will remove my pin. So I will remove it so that I will not cut it with the front one. So I've separated the back one from the front one. The back one, this is the back one, the one in the middle, inside. I removed it. So this one is the front one. I want to trim the neckline. So I have a basic sleeve here, long sleeve, basic sleeve that I will attach to the armhole. So this one is the back one. for button, 4.5 inches. So, and this one is the front one. This one is this is what we have. So this applique, I'll sew it on the front one. I will remove the front piece, I'll sew this on it. After that, I will now put it together again because I've opened it. So I'll sew from neckline to shoulder. So then I'll leave this open. This is armhole. I will sew this too also. I'll join it here with 1/2 inch and here 1/2 inch also. After, I'll do the same on the other side. After that, I'll now sew this one from here to the end. I'll do the same to the top. I attached applique on, this is the front one, this is the right side. I attached applique on the right side. After that, I put them together again, right side facing each other, front and back. So I sew it from the neckline. This is neckline. I sew it from neckline to my shoulder. I now sew it again from here to this point. So from this point, I sew it all the way to the end. I did the same on the other side. So this one, this is neckline. This is the back neckline, the one with slits. The back neckline, I'll fix button. So I'll use bias on the neckline. So, and also the lower part, I'll hem the lower part. So on this side, from shoulder to, I sew from my shoulder to, I sew from my neckline to my shoulder, and there's open here. And from this point to this point again, before I now sew to the end. So this space is armhole. I'll fix basic sleeve here. Basic sleeve. So I'll turn it. This is the right side. This is the armhole. This is neckline. This one is the armhole. So I'll fix this sleeve here. This is the shoulder side. This sleeve, right side, like this. So I'll go and sew it like this. I'll do. I used 3.5 meters by 60. It's better to use fabric by 60, and also soft fabric like chiffon, silk, or any soft fabric so that it will fall properly. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please